Why do 33% of parrot species mimic human speech? Let's dive into the world of chatty feathers. Let's start with the tiny but mighty. Did you know that sea otters hold hands while sleeping to keep from drifting apart? Absolutely heart-melting, right? Next up, ever seen a penguin proposing? Male Gentoo penguins propose to their mates with a pebble. If she accepts, they're partners for life. Now, onto something a bit quirky. Did you know elephants can't jump? Their leg structure just doesn't allow it. But what they lack in jumping skills, they make up with fantastic memories and close family bonds. And for the grand finale, capybaras, the most social rodents you'll ever meet, are so friendly they often become the chill leaders in mixed species groups. Imagine being so cool that even other species want to hang out with you. Stay tuned for more adorable and surprising animal facts. Who knew learning could be this fun?